Welcome back, friends. Today's an unboxing from Simon Says. All right, we're going to see what's inside this box. I did order a few things that I needed and a few things that I wanted. So let's check this out. This is all from Simon Says. Here we go. This is a Tim Holtz Electric Elements bundle. Free Spirit fabrics. These are all fat quarters. I plan to use some, and the ones I won't use, I might just sell them off on my Whatnot show. They're very pretty. I like these colors. Grungy, nice colors as well. I really like this. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we have here. This is Stamperia ceramic paste. This is ceramic paste or ceramic powder, I believe. Let me try to open it up. So I want to work more on mixed media, and I decided to give this ceramic powder a try. I will have a video on that too. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be using some of their soft molds. Texture paste, because I'm running out of texture paste that I have on hand. Cream paste. This is also going to be for mixed media. Some molds I have on hand. I will have another video on this as well. This was a freebie from Simon Says. Snowflake Rosette. I've been wanting this embossing folder. This is going to be fun to work with. Some Stampers Anonymous. I needed some more stamps with numbers to make more tickets, make my own ephemera, so I figured this will be a good addition to what I need. This one's called the Tidbits. That's going to be fun too. And this one is Stamperia. This is a silicone mold. I want to work more with resin too. And I wanted to get the wings, so I figured, I could use these wings. Definitely for mixed media steampunk projects. Super fun. And I got another one. Oh, these were the doors. I love these doors. Very goth. Gorgeous. Again, to work with mixed media. So this is my Simon Says haul for this year. This would be my last haul for 2025. New hauls to come in 2026. I hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned as I'll be uploading more videos and more content in the days to come. All right, everybody, take care and God bless. Give this video a big like and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.